Whoiskingshawn is live.
YouTube, what's up? It's Whoiskingshawn, and we're back again with another banger. I got a quick video. 5 no credit check loans. I'm noticing when I'm going through my analytics when it comes to my YouTube channel, a lot of people are liking these kind of videos. And another thing, people are always asking me to do more videos on Navy Federal, Penn Fed. I am done with that chapter when it comes to this channel. I covered every product when it comes to Navy Federal and Penn Fed. I don't need to do any more reviews on it. I keep telling y'all, I'm bringing y'all fresh credit unions that's giving out a bag, but y'all keep asking for the same video. So I'm gonna give you these 5 credit unions that you could go out here and get some money with no credit check. And at the same time, check out the other products they have on the business side that you could really run up a bag on, right? So the first one is going to be Security Plus Federal Credit Union. And you could get up to a $500 loan with them. It'll be easy and simple, right? You could pay your bills, repair, or purchases up to 6-month repayment with people. What did it says? Absolutely no credit check needed. This is simple, easy. You could borrow up to that $500. And again, $20 non-refundable fee for your application, right? And all you got to do is provide your last 2 pay stub to get approved for this, which is really good. Again, up to this $500. But I always tell you, anytime they're going to be doing these no credit check loans, absolutely, you got to understand that the interest rate is going to be high. So this is only going to be for state of emergency. If you need a quick $300, you might have been driving to work, got a flat tire, need to change it out, need an oil change, you might need some gas, might need some food for the house. This is for state of emergency until you get your check, right? But on top of Security Plus Credit Union, right, they have a great business side, right? Let's check out the business side right here, right? Business checking account, business savings account, business money marketing. People, a lot of people heard of money marketing accounts on the personal side. But how many of y'all heard of on the business side or business share certificate on the business side? Again, y'all need to stop worrying about a lot of these old credit unions. We got new, fresh credit unions that's giving you out a bag. They got credit cards. You could get line of credit. You could get loans. You could get commercial loans. People, start learning about these different federal credit unions, man. They are giving out a bag, and on top of that, the no credit check loan up to the $500, right? So number 2 on the list is Home-Based Credit Union. Now you could go get a no credit check loan, but you do have to be a member to get this loan, this no credit check loan. And the first 2 loans you get, you can only max out at $500, but after that, you could get up to $8,000, people. This is simple and this is easy. Again, you're looking for some quick cash. Again, this is why I'm giving you these kind of banks, these kind of credit unions, these kind of lenders. But again, this is for state of emergency only, right? That's number 2. Number 3 on the list is Credit Union. This is another credit union. You can go grab yourself some money, Q Money loan, anywhere between $200 and $500, which is really good. And this is an absolutely no credit check. Now you could get this loan, but you got to repay in 60 days, people. Again, simple and easy. You got to take at least a minimum of $200, and as you see that APR rate of 28%, which is really high. So this is, again, state of emergency, and as soon as you get your first paycheck, pay this money back, right? That's number 3 on the list. Now you're looking to get some money up to $1,000 and build credit. This might be for you. Now you could get up to that $1,000, which is really good. You get a maximum term of 12 months, interest rate of 15%, right? Now that's on the high end. I keep stressing it so you can get an understanding. Yes, you're not getting no credit check, but it's something that come with that, and that's that high interest rate. So this is why you got to repay it. And after 12 on-time payment, guess what, people? They're going to report this to the 3 credit bureaus, and you can start building your credit. And then on top of that, you'll be able to get a Visa card with them, once you do that 12 on-time payment, which is really good, man. Again, I'm giving you fresh companies, fresh credit unions that you could go and grab some money. And on top of that, go ahead, open up a savings checking and start building a relationship with all these different accounts. I'm not saying go do all of them, but pick one that works for you. If you're looking for one that's into business, maybe the Security Plus Federal Credit Union might be for you. They got a lot of offers with them, right? So now let's go last. Again, Sky Point Federal Credit Union, another one that you could go out there and get a bag, no credit check. As you see, now you need to be a member at least 3 months. You could get anywhere from $250 to $1,000. Loan limit, again, people, membership status 3 months, and you could do this digitally on the app, which is really easy. Again, that loan up to 6 months, and you could get up to that $1,000. Again, this is 5 places that you could go, right? The Security Plus Federal Credit Union, Home-Based Credit Union, which is another great one, and Arrowhead. Come on, man, start learning about these different ones, and Sky Point Federal Credit Union. So all 5 of these, you could go out there and get a no credit check loan. But again, just keep it in mind, the interest rate is really high, but you could go ahead and build a relationship with these. And if I would have to pick out of all 5 of them, I'd probably say Security Plus Federal Credit Union. You could go out there and get yourself a bag, people. Look at this. Business credit cards, business loans. We got to go over it again. I need y'all to understand. Lines of credit, commercial real estate loan, SBA loans, business vehicle loan. You got all kind of loans that you could go out there and get a bag. A lot of times people saying, how can I get my car in my business names? These are, look at all the options they're giving you with this Federal Credit Union. Now, if you are in the check system, people, I know a lot of you are out there in the check system. If you're having issues getting approved to get into some of these Federal Credit Unions, go back on my old videos. I got 2 videos in the past 4.5 years. I think I did how to get out the check system, you know, in the credit repair guide that I got on my website that I'm giving away for free for everybody that rock with my channel. I got the letters to get you out that check system in that ebook. Go right over to my website, download it free. If you're interested in building your business side, I have the ebook. Let's go right to the website right here so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. This is the home page, breaks down anything. If you want to join that mentorship one-on-one with me for 8 weeks, you can send an email right here and we can lock in and do that. But let's take you over to the store. If you would like to, again, as you see, that Ultimate Credit Repair Guide is free. It has everything you need from A to Z in it. And if you want to build your business side, you could do that as well. I have the ebook for that. And I have the one-on-one if you want to jump on a call and we could go over your personal and business credit, man. So I want to see y'all win in 2025. It should be no excuses. Stop being lazy and let's do the work, people. I want to see you win, but it's up to you. Get in the comments. Tell me what you think. Like, comment, subscribe. But for now, I'm up out of here. Peace.